Mama wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo freme adwoa searching
me do be frase ho wa unya kwan ko bi
adaruma me akasa parliament etunsa frame okay. minority
okay
me ndi kind me more minority leadership abaso in fact omu make demonstration say coalition of political parties. Yes. amanyoko ahodo na abom. Obviously, of course, MPP ni ekese but other political parties na ka ho. Into parliament edit any minority ni shese as members of parliament in the minority caucus we must be part. And party so but also deputy director external affairs of the MP.
So where you may be
that's the deputy director external affairs party so catch the share say o mo de o mo akoko dom coalition no enunti e was a party by bia so a baby particularly national offices. So also I was enshrined near to so miensa bo so me frɛ ho fo so hyeda so ma me say so for je asemo ekoso die fo anu kotumbi na okwa yasemuni into one also share me say so I was there representing 3 cardinal and key fronts me dem gidi say ehu hia pa me boss ankrofo we nyina baso a na fe mabo ni pampempem a epie ba bonten ebedi demonstration echi dero aban eba eto abama aban fufra ye fa ne say largely 1 year no a done anim no die sebe a grace period. In fact we been be argue say man 6 months grace period. So that time ni die largely bibia obeye bia no you find people saying say oh women ma buy them kakra largely you find people saying that which is legitimate and also say when there are genuine concerns we don't raise it. So for a party or a government say or what baimu 4 months pay na nipa dompem say
pia bonten
etimi pie ba bonten. It tells you that no Ghana for enru bebia cry no they are finding this matter very important. They was abai no otie ni atoso mienu say a juada demonstration juada me did demonstration achieve me as a student leader me dear demonstration dear me dear tribi pa my be so pa as Tescom president at SRC as friends and Gassak my demonstration the demonstration dear me pay me nyati ya no me hu e beba ne o school no enya ya aluta ne be ba so sa obeti ben ba because morai ba. So for me to have observed a lot of demonstrations na yenye be down Monday. Look, the best we've done will be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, weekends.
You must be raising concern
about Monday. Na nipa dom sa timi pieno. What? It speaks volume. Say abai etrase no rubbish no as usual. That is not same. But meaning say they are strategists in NDC or me catch up the master. The numbers you saw speaks volume.
Yeah.
On Monday, 4 months into government.
And just less than the week I think less than the week mobilization.
No mobilization and do 2 weeks. Mobilization do 2 weeks. Maybe Kai say commander Nana be frame me. Kai am for Judiciary be say.
I had me an interview on and no cancel on demonstration.
Me say oh commander frame me for JB say na say me say and do 2 weeks. Na hold day ni dia bem no mame mo na baso. Bra ye so ten okodua.
No way in
America. Nana be will forever be one of the fantastic organizers I mean na yejuma. Oh, national youth organizer. Me cancer me got sister station Kumasi. And I said it openly. Say he's a fantastic national youth organizer. You now you're an administrator in Tiana or Casano. See how you're national organizer. Me you're an administrator. But look at the prowess or the to form. And she said, orderly from Supreme Court to Parliament to the Jubilee House. Orderly. And the masses and the numbers. Oh, you won't we are born, right? But you won't find people say, we are breyeko, we are breyeko, we are breyeko. No! Everybody was there, waiting and ready. Umura Parliament made the sound me say, we could do home so for J MPs no mumbedie ni mumbedie honorable fenyoma me say me MP abrantie o timine boys na na se tire on ne nam ne morani abomu morani abon kakrasa man ko di leader the petition ni kra mo president na mu bia ni wa na me gina because I say you hold the morano e wa kire ni hold the boys no so wa kire tie de anko join leadership and me who commitment no. I tell you, if MPP you beat me akan ho abom na baby aya fom ya jatum say ya fom na ya pacho ni akan ensem ye na ya assurance ni leader so say why ye obone no fa che na ye ba ye nye biom won so aya ma wakwanya no we are promising that we ba ye be ma wakwanya ni the measures papa to kwan mu a me assure say the next 2028 abano abeto no. Oh, la ilaha illallah. BBC. Intermediate me wa reshimu pa that MPP atonia dena ye bob ye die chipim one. That is why the elephant bounced back stronger. Intermediate ni enkosunre mi bobi biara baso. Look, another group amebo mabaso kese media. Look, they give a true and fair reportage. Na meno me gidi say reportage ni true and fair because encrophobia amba ho me mbomudi but station bi wo ho a omo ahu say chama bugabuga ne encrophobe ba into mama ho omo ba ho anka obo stories a anka bepi omo mba ho ntinu media ni nyina ye
ga akwanchi sa afa ya no.
Na no me kra me kodu ye boys ni bisam say we hu omo boys ni bisam say me hu bi wa na me so pacho we dey esremo tell boys na fire up no na on say media hwe social media hwe bebia hwe reportage by kama emrantie by everybody was so disciplined. Mr. Media House be pie wo honum say cream
anka semba
ga beti stories a o meka ne anim nyina o meka videos no ye nam ha no na wo mo de o mu twa ha ye nam hanu no mu twa ha no mo pese oh
aka umbapya Oxford Street
me say ye nam ha kono no mu twa but omamba look at the reporter generally BBC PK international news PK everybody did that we are party in coalition iron. There are other measures are ebediachi minki kan wa ha but minim say the Foreign Affairs Committee Tanya, your friend is saying,